This arrest warrant comes just exactly 1 year to the day that Caitlin Tracey was found dead in that stairwell. The warrant alleges that Adam Beckering picked his wife up, all 4 feet 11 inches and 103 pounds of her, and threw her over the railing of the stairwell 24 floors up. He did it allegedly 2 days before her remains were found.
Yes, obviously, very sad story, just tragic. And there are so many questions surrounding it, some of what you've mentioned, why it's been so long. There's a lot of factors at play here. Sometimes legal things just don't move very quickly. And in this case, he has not only legal cases now in Illinois, but also Michigan. And a lot of those court proceedings happened over the last year that could have had some impact on how long it took to, announce that they are bringing these charges and a warrant is out for his arrest for first-degree murder of Caitlin Tracey. Another thing that we can't forget here is that it takes a lot for the state's attorney to bring charges for murder, especially first-degree murder. So, unless we are privy to that investigation, and we might be if the trial progresses. But unless we know that, there are going to be a lot of questions swirling around this case.
For a guy who is a lawyer, and albeit a tax lawyer, he certainly knows that he's got some criminal exposure here. His wife is dead. He's on camera with her 2 days prior, and he's caught in a lie. And yet he, as I understand it, got into a pitched custody fight over her remains with her parents. Do I have that right? And what in God's green earth was going on there?
Yes, you have that right. So shortly after her death, her parents filed a petition to the court to essentially take custody of her remains, her body, from Adam Beckering, who was claiming spousal rights, according to the petition that her parents filed. They alleged that he was emotionally, physically, verbally abusive to her, and that he was withholding her body and her remains from them. And a judge in Michigan eventually ruled that the custody of her remains would go to her parents, and a Cook County judge here in Chicago upheld that ruling as well.